我是 Koto， 我来自中国，然后我现在正在日本工作和学习。我是一个3D 艺术设计师。
Γεια σας, είμαι η Ανδριάννα, είμαι αρχιτέκτονας, έρχομαι από τη Θεσσαλονίκη.
Hi, my name is Susan. We are at SCI-Arc and I am in the Making+Meaning program.
My name is Ray Hughes and we're in kind of a retrofitted version of our normal classroom that's decorated with all of our projects that we've been developing over the past few weeks. It's called Making+Meaning. One, it is a workshop in programming and softwares, but that is the making part. The meaning part needs to come from you and experimentation in your design.
Making+Meaning to me is a 4-week program in which we take students from all around the world, put them together in a room and make them excited about design, which means exposing them to the latest tools, some interesting workflows, and then also the kind of collaborative nature which comes with design.
Making+Meaning is a program that introduces participants to basics of architecture. This year, we decided that we were gonna kick it up a notch, and we took AI as a mode of working. Our students come from all over the world. We have students from Jordan, Greece, China, Japan, Mexico, the United States, of course, and it's a wonderful group.
I thought people in this program would be all LA-based, and then you meet people from like Jordan and Milan and Italy, and it's like, what? Those relationships to have forever will be something that'll hold near and dear to my heart, you know, for a long time, for sure.
我觉得在这边的体验还是非常的独特的，它跟中国和日本的教学模式上都有很多的区别。
Basically, we went from ChatGPT to Midjourney to Rhino to Grasshopper and back around again.
The best part was to see the finished products, seeing the designs that we created on screen actually come to life.
We built ponchos, bags, jackets, trousers, and we did that with the help of a little bit of AI, a lot of parametric design, and robots.
Όσο αφορά το πρόγραμμα, είχαμε την ευκαιρία να χρησιμοποιήσουμε πάρα πολλά μηχανήματα, όπως ας πούμε 3D printing, ρομποτικούς βραχίονες για να σχεδιάσουμε τις δικές μας στάμπες και να φτιάξουμε αντίστοιχα μετά το δικό μας pattern.
My aha moment has been talking to the robot. I said, hey robot, I've generated a design in Rhino and Grasshopper, now printed. Amazing.
Having to put myself out there and try to use software to make stuff has been pretty challenging, but also rewarding.
I wanted to come here because I felt that even though I have a really high level of education in my school, sometimes it feels slightly archaic. So I wanted to come to a place where I could experiment with the cutting edge of architecture.
Passing through this workflow and this process has just given me a great strength to move on forward and the great confidence to apply it to the professional venture.
Always when that shift happens into making, there's a click and you can see it going through the class. It's also usually when a lot of the bonding happens, when students kind of get the first reward, when the payoff is.
Είναι πραγματικά σαν να ζούμε στο μέλλον.
我认为还是去尝试新工具的这个技能，而不是具体的某一项软件和工具。通过这个 program， 然后我们算是教会了我们很多去尝试用新工具的这个思维和技能。
Reiteration, iteration. In design, it's something you kind of do a lot. Reiterate things until you kind of get to something you really, really like. I think there's never a final product in design.
Psychology didn't go to waste. I could still use the things that I learned from psychology to put it into architecture.
Not to be afraid and have more confidence in myself as a designer.
The experience has been great. Academically, I've learned so much, meeting a ton of new people. You know, the students come from all over.
Every year is a pleasure to teach this.
A memorable moment is that moment when I first have the pleasure of meeting them. And at the end of the program, they are all friends.
Come and just be open to learning, and you can't get that unless you come here. You can't get that online. You got to be in SCI-Arc, in the place.
To apply to Making a Meaning, go to sciarc.edu.